Short video introduce together reviews of DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max Circular Saw with Brake Kit, 7-1/4 DCS578X2. The recommended that you do not buy unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Our most powerful tools just got better with the 60V Max *7-1/4 circular saw with electric brake. It has up to 47% more power than the DCS575 60V Max * circular saw with 2456 unit watts out. With a no load speed of 5,800 RPM, this saw delivers the power of a corded circular saw with the portability and convenience of cordless through revolutionary DEWALT FLEXVOLT technology. Thanks for watching. Emphasize once more. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description box below.